Today's recipe: Kucho Chingri Pitha. In a hot pan, add mustard oil 2 tablespoons. Chop onion 1 piece medium. Saute and fry for few seconds. Keep it in a medium flame. Green chilies 2 to 3 pieces or as preferred. Saute and cook for few seconds. Ginger paste 2 tablespoons. Garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Mix well. Saute and cook till the raw smell evaporates. Add water 1/4 cup. Mix well. Saute and cook for few seconds. Turmeric powder 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Garam masala powder 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Small shrimps or Kucho Chingri 250 grams. Mix well. Salt as per taste. Mix well. Saute and cook for few minutes. Cook till it becomes golden. Kucho Chingri stuffing is ready for further use. Keeper salad. All-purpose flour or maida 3 cups. Salt 1 tablespoon. Refined oil 1 tablespoon. Start mixing. Gradually add water as required for kneading the flour. Dough should be soft and smooth. Take some oil into your palm. Coat the dough with oil. Cover it and rest for 30 minutes. Again knead the dough. Now divide the dough into small equal portions. Coat them with cooking oil. Make balls out of them and flatten them. Dust the rolling pin with some flour to avoid stickling. Roll the flattened ball into a thick brown puree. Stuff the Kucho Chingri filling on half side of puree. Now fold it. Lock the end. In a pan, add refined oil for frying. Keep it in a medium flame. Drop the pitha once the oil becomes hot. Fry them in batches. Flip the side when one side cooked. Cook all the sides equally. Transfer them in a plate. Serve hot. You can store it in airtight container for 2 to 4 days. Thanks for watching Cook with Mahasana.